is it possible to use one of these 360 cameras you can see here mounted on my handlebars, extended on a selfie stick without looking like a complete bell end? And once you extend the selfie stick out, you've got this huge great horn sticking out the front of your motorcycle. You can't help but look a bit of a knob. Okay, let's extend the selfie stick a bit while we're here, shall we? So this is bell end territory now. The old horn out the front there. Really is quite comical. I think that's more or less it. Okay, we won't leave it fully extended for too long because, apart from looking even more of a brat, the wobble on the end starts to get a bit excessive.